Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see how you can build resume using various online tools within few minutes. Searching for a job, applying for various different job positions, and at the same time the first step for building your career professional is to have a good resume. A resume which speaks about you, your skills and your projects. But it is quite tedious at the same time to have a good resume to understand how all it is for you. But using various online tools, this is very easy nowadays. So I'm going to share you one of the most famous and highly recommended resume build tool, that is Ziti. Let's see practically how we can explore different features of Ziti and build a resume within few minutes. Right on Internet Explorer Ziti, and this is the home page of Ziti, what you see in. So once you can see, it provides the different tools for building resumes, for CV, for cover letter and many more options. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple resume without any much hassle. So once you go on the main page, click on create my resume now. Then you have to select the different templates, whichever you like, most preferably with the good color combination is always recommended. So let's say I'll use this template. So as it mentioned, it's just 3 simple steps and your resume will be built. You can always change the template from here by selecting the icon, or let's go ahead and start to work on create my resume. So if you have already a resume in place with you, then the things are easy. If you want to create a step-by-step resume, just go and click on the option. So now it will take you all the information that you want to fill up for this particular resume template. So for example, I have added some of my details which were asking. Just go step by step to each of the work history and all the icons that you have to fill. Just speak about all your resumes, then create next. For example, if you don't have an experience, just say okay or else okay. So this is after filling this information, it will take you to the next step. Just if there is something which matches to your profile, just keep on adding the things after reading what you can see from the left window. And you can also have the beautiful formatting options over here. Write down and just click next. So once you logged in, as you can see, we are going step by step. So you have to fill in all the details accordingly. So keep on adding the educations, as I have mentioned one. There are further, if you have many degrees on your CV, just keep on adding it. Then go to skills. Then you can always preview here till how long you have reached and what are the things that you can change or modify. Let's keep on adding, building the things, how you expert yourself. Like for Python, I would say, then machine learning, then milling machine, how you can just rate yourself accordingly, and just click on the next one. Then the summary. You can select any of the things what is shown previously, or you can modify this according to your position what it suits. What are the anything if you want to add, for example, language, certifications, interest, you can create. Suppose what languages you know, English, and it's 5. You can add definitely from here, or you can just go next. Then certifications, if you have, like for example, Microsoft, I have. Then next, what interests you, it's machine learning. Right, you can specify your interest according to your type. So now the things actually come here. You can select your color accordingly and change it, or if you are good to go with this, then it's also fine. Can you see, if you'll specify everything in detail, it will take in a very good resume form. It will Click save and next. So you can always have the trial for like 14 days, which is for last 24 hours, and you can download your resume. Click the options that you want to specify for the payment, and the things are ready to build your resume. It's a very good option to see for your cover letter, for your resume, for your CV, and you can also take help to improve your resume from Resume Help. It's a very nice platform. You must try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.